Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Nari Ultimate. In this video I'll show you how to manage headphones LEDs. In the beginning, go to RAZER Synapse app. Enter Nari Ultimate and go to Lighting. Now you can enable or disable lights by switching this button and change its brightness. Then you can enable auto switch off and change effects. Next you can go to Advanced Effects and manage Chroma effect. For this function, launch Chroma Studio. Now you can adjust lighting manually to your needs. Here you can add effect layers from this menu. Here you can change color and patterns, and here you can change properties like boost and decay. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.